traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the Bitcoin chart on 3rd of April and see what's gonna happen next. Then I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday and see what happened there. So let's get started. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see in the last something like 6 hours, we did have some nice movements to the upside, which we could have a position here with the break of this trend line, which we had 3 touches on this trend line, 1 2 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we had the chance to enter a buy position, put our stop loss below the candle and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 7 here. And also right now the price is actually touching a trend line which is starting from here with 1 2 3 touches, and right now the price is reacting to that level. You can see that big rejection there, big red candle, and we can have a sell position there too, you know, like this one. We can enter for a sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle and look for risk reward too. And we have to wait for the price and see what's gonna happen in the future. Okay, thanks for watching this part. Let's switch to the part which I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday. Welcome back traders. As you can see here, we are on the Bitcoin chart 5-minute time frame on 2nd of April, and we're gonna see the 5 positions I made on it. And let's start now. As you can see, on the first position we did have this trend line with 1 2 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, we had the chance to go for a buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gave us something around 2.5. On the second position we did have this trend line with 1 2 touches. On the third time it was broken here, we had the chance to enter a sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer, and it gave us something around risk reward 2 here. And as you can see, when the price reaches to that level, our reward 2, it makes some candles like this, it makes some shadows, some dodgy candles like this one, and it starts going up from there. On the third position we did have this trend line with 1 2 3 touches. On the fourth time it was broken here, but I did draw this from here and we could enter here or even here and put our stop loss above this candle here or even safer here and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 3.5. On the trade 4 we did have this trend line with 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. When you see that shadow there, you can extend it, you can extend it like this one, and when you see it is broken here, we can risk on it and enter for a sell position. The actually internet is really bad these days. Okay, the price is broken here, we have the chance to enter a sell position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us something around 6.5 here. On the last position we did have this support area here where the price was started to falling, and we had a support area here, an invisible support. The price touches it and it starts going up. Okay, we draw a support line like this. In the future the price reacts to that level and makes a pin bar like this one. We can enter buy position here, put our stop loss below that, and it gives us something around risk reward 3. And it is also, actually we have also a resistance area here too, where the price started going up and touched an invisible level and started falling. The price also reacted here, and in the bigger time frames like 15-minute time frame, we can have some I think we did have something like a pin bar here too. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.